moving on to my favorite part, which is after we've done boom, tap, boom, tap. Now I'm on my right, now I want to switch, jumping on my left. So I'm taking my right up instead. Before I was here, now I'm doing switch. Again from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and switch. So switch here. Now I want to say jump again, and then I want to bring my foot back here. Whoop, so I'm saying it was up here, twist, up, twist. Just think behind, whoop, behind. I want to touch with my right arm here. So I'm saying up, touch. So let's do it from here. Jump, touch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, touch. Okay, so jump, touch. From here, I want to straighten it. So I'm saying bend, back, straighten. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend, back, straighten. And notice that I'm pointing here to the corner. So in the beginning, I'm here to the front. And I'm kind of to the side and to the corner. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, jump. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, jump. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, jump, jump. Okay, so we did jump, jump, jump. From here, I want to jump on my right, bringing my left behind like that. So it was here, I'm jumping on my right, and the left goes up here behind. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. Notice that I'm twisting my body. Here to here. Here to here. Again, that's time. 5, 6, 7, jump. My arms are going jump. So the left one is up here, right is down here. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump. Now I want to jump on my left, bringing my right up. So right now I'm on my right with my left up, and I want to do the opposite. And I'm going ha. I was here. I'm taking my left down, right up. And I want to bring up my foot so that I can touch it with my left arm. So I went from here to jump. From here to jump. From here to jump. Now I want to jump again on my left, swinging my right to the other side. So I was here, I want to do ha. And I want to do that with a jump. Jump. So I was here, left behind my right, on my right, same switch, switch, and jump. Again from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch, jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Switch, jump. So let's take it back from here. I want to say jump, switch, jump. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, switch, jump. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, switch, jump. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, switch, jump. Alright, now let's practice wa, ta, 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 ta. So from here, jump, ba, ba, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump and out and jump and out. It's actually on and counts, but I think we should just put in a small break when we practice. So again from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, 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 and ta, ta, ta. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wa, ta, ta, and ta, ta, ta. Okay, now let's try to practice without the breaks, so just on and counts. So, wa, ta, 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 ta. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wa, ta, 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 ta. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wa, ta, 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 ta. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wa, ta, 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 ta. Alright, so let's try from the tip to the top. So quick recap, we're going up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it, in, mic, drop, out, switch, switch, knee, down, prep, jump, 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 back, straighten, back, touch, touch. Alright, let's go super slow. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it, in, out, in, mic, drop, out, switch, switch, knee, down, prep, jump, switch, behind, straighten, jump, touch, touch. Now a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it, in, out, in, mic, drop, out, switch, switch, knee, down, prep, jump, switch, behind, straighten, behind, touch, touch. Okay, let's try a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it, in, mic, drop, out, switch, switch, knee, down, prep, jump, switch, behind, straighten, behind, touch, touch. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, kick it, in, mic, drop, out, switch, switch, knee, down, prep, jump, switch, behind, straighten, behind, touch, touch. Alright, so for the last part, we just said whoom, whoom. From here, you want to jump and turn at the same time, so I'm saying turn, 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 turn. I'm basically doing one full turn, tap, and at the same time, my legs are gonna go behind, out, behind, out. So from here, I'm going behind, out, 5, 6, 7, 8, behind, out. So I'm just gonna show it from the side, behind, out. And at the same time, I'm doing turn, out. So again, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, out, and out. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. In, out. So after I've done one turn, full turn, I'm jumping back on my right. I'm lifting my left knee up here. So I'm jumping here on my left. Now I want to say switch. Now the arm is gonna say slap it down. So from here I'm going out, switch it, smack it down. So again I just did da 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 da, switch, slap it down, and from here you just repeat the dance. Up, sweep, repeat. So let's try again from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump out, switch it, slap it down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump out, slap it down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump out, and slap it down. Alright, let's try from the tip top with the new part. So quick recap, we're going up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it, in, out, in, mic, drop, switch, knee, down, prep, knee, switch, behind, straighten, behind, touch, and back, and slap it down. Okay, slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it, in, out, in, mic, drop, out, switch, knee, down, prep, jump, switch, behind, straighten, behind, touch, behind, out, and slap it down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, sweep, down, up, down, kick it, in, out, in, mic, drop, out, switch, switch, knee, down, prep, jump, switch, behind, straighten, behind, touch, touch, back, front, and slap it down. Again, 5, 6, 7, up, sweep, down, and down, kick it, in, up, in, mic, drop, switch, 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 knee, down, prep, jump, switch, behind, out, touch, touch, down, out, and down. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the knee slapper from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.